I will show how to buy shares of Marriott International Inc., the global hospitality company behind hotels and related services, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MAR. This is an educational guide, not financial advice, so do your own research before making any investment decisions. To buy shares, you need a broker. I'll use eToro as an example to walk through the steps. After signing up, you will typically need to verify your account with an ID and then deposit funds before placing a buy order. Use the platform search box to find the company by name or ticker. Type MAR and select the Marriott International Inc. listing to make sure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, review the company summary, recent news, and the price chart to confirm it is the right stock. Verify the page explicitly shows Marriott International Inc. and the MAR ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you wish to invest, then carefully review the order details and confirm to place the trade. If markets are closed, your order may be queued as a pending instruction. And if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the trade executes, the new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. For convenience, I have added an eToro link in the description if you want to explore the platform used in this demonstration.